Hello everyone, I am teacher Kelly and for today we will have speaking practice. Let's get started. What are you wearing today? For example, I'm wearing a yellow t-shirt and blue jeans today. Your turn. What are you wearing today? What do you do with your old clothes when you don't wear them anymore? For example, I give them to my younger cousins. Your turn. What do you do with your old clothes when you don't wear them anymore? What clothes do you like wearing in summer and in winter? For example, I like wearing shorts in summer and jumper in winter. Your turn. What clothes do you like wearing in summer and in winter? What are your favorite clothes? Why? For example, my favorite clothes are a pair of shorts that my mom gave me on my 14th birthday. Your turn. What are your favorite clothes? Why? What color are they? They are black and white. What color are they? Where do you do most of your shopping? Online or in the shops? Which is better? For example, I do most of my shopping online because it's convenient and saves me a lot of time. I can compare prices and buy things without leaving home. However, I think shopping in stores is better when buying clothes because I can try them on before purchasing. Overall, online shopping is better for me because it's faster and more convenient. Now it's your turn. Where do you do most of your shopping? Online or in the shops? Which is better? What do you buy online and what do you buy in the shops? Why? For example, I often buy books and clothes online because it is convenient and there are more choices available. I can also compare prices easily and sometimes get better discounts. I often buy food and drinks in shops because I need them immediately and I don't want delivery. Now it's your turn, students. What do you buy online and what do you buy in the shops? Why? Where is your favorite place to do your shopping? Why? For example, my favorite place to do my shopping is the supermarket near my house because it has a wide variety of products and reasonable prices. It is also clean and convenient. Now it's your turn to answer, students. Where is your favorite place to do your shopping? Why? Is your home or school near a shopping center? For example, yes, my home is near a shopping center. It takes about 10 minutes to get there by bike. Now it's your turn. Is your home or school near a shopping center? What are the advantages of shopping in an open air market? For example, shopping in an open air market has many advantages. The products are often cheaper, fresher, and there is a friendly atmosphere. You can also bargain with sellers to get a better price. Now it's your turn. What are the advantages of shopping in an open air market? That's all for today, students. Well done.